you guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you can see from the view behind me, that is a Christmas tree, and this video is basically going to be a little mini decorate for Christmas with me where I walk you guys through how I got my little Christmas tree put up, and there's also stuff on the wall that you can't really see right now, but you're gonna get to see that very soon, so stick around. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you're not yet subscribed, drop a comment, let me know what else you want to see this season, and I'll see you guys in the next video.
Oh, Christmas tree, oh, Christmas tree, been wondering just what you mean to me. Oh, Christmas tree, honestly, it's never been much about you. Don't get me wrong, I think you're great. Root of tradition we celebrate. But oh, Christmas tree, more than anything, it's all the people around you. My sister's here, my cousins too, my brothers flew in this afternoon. We're catching up, oh what a year. Oh Christmas tree, I nearly missed you there. Don't get me wrong, you're a sight to see, with all faded photos of family. But oh, Christmas tree, no, you don't mean a thing without the joy that surrounds you.